Hey guys, I wanted to go live with you and share this. Look, we've got a full arc rainbow going on. And behind me, a shipwreck to go with it as well. We came down here early, got some really awesome twilight shots, but I just wanted to show you, look at that. How often do you get a full arc rainbow going on? We've got some seriously dedicated photographers here. It's starting to rain. There's some big rain coming. There's some more of the guys back up there. You might be able to see over my shoulder this kind of area. Where are we with my finger there? That's the rain coming. But this has been awesome. We came down here really early this morning during twilight to capture some sunset. The sun actually sets over here in the wrong direction, but we got some nice colours in the sky, and I'm looking forward to sorting those pictures out. But I just had to share that. Very rare I've ever seen a full arc rainbow like that. And look, we've got a double rainbow starting here, and the rain's coming in. So that's probably about all I can say. Oh look, here's Bernard. What's Bernard doing? Are you enjoying the rain, Bernard?
I love the rainbow.
You love the rainbow? Yeah, rocking the rainbow. Oh my word, it's raining. And it's getting... That is just awesome. Sorry guys, I'm super excited. I really wanted to share this with you live, and my bloody YouTube app refuses to put it the right way up, so I've been swearing. My phone nearly went in the sea, and the guys have been trying to console me. So, but isn't that awesome? I wish I could turn the camera around. Let me just see if I can show you some more so you can just enjoy it. It's not the best shot of the ship from this angle, because as you can see there's a lot of clutter behind it, but it still works as a sunrise shot really, really well, because the light comes from behind the ship. We were shooting from the other side of it instead of being, you know, where I am now. We were like, you know, round the I can't do it with my finger, around the other side. And it was awesome. But there you go. I just wanted to share a little bit of excitement in a full arc rainbow. Here's an intrepid photographer. Will you look at this man here? Will you just look at this man here?
I don't know why we buy all these expensive cameras. Look. It's on the iPhone.
Hang on. You have to hold it over here,
sorry.
James.
Yeah. Are we on, are we?
Yeah, we're on, mate.
The screen's a bit wet. It's pouring down with rain.
Yeah. There you go, look. iPhone photo.
Yes.
You see, being in the right place,
yeah,
at the right time, knowing where to stand and when to click.
Yeah.
Way more important.
I think there's a course in that.
You think there might be? Someone ought to say that on YouTube and places, don't you think? Yeah.
I'll get straight on it.
Yeah, all right then, mate. Thanks, James. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Oh, wow. We've got some amazing colour. Look, it's just going on and on and on. All the time. Look at that. What beautiful colours. Not the best location, but beautiful colours. Slava!
Yes.
How you doing, man?
I'm
Say hello.
Doing well. Hello.
Hello, Slava!
Yeah, we have amazing rainbow over the ship.
It's good, isn't it? It's
yes.
good. It's good. Hang on. We can talk and go like that now. I've just realised a little button. Look.
Yes,
Look at
exactly.
that.
Look at this rainbow and the colors in the sky and the cloud behind the ship.
It is beautiful. The cloud is just rocking it. That cloud is fantastic. Even though the backgrounds were a bit cluttered and crazy, it's just amazing. The biggest problem here is, of course, keeping rain off your lens, isn't it?
Exactly.
Let's have a look at the front of your lens.
I'm using 35.
No, the front.
Front.
Yeah, see,
It's
look,
raining,
you get the raindrops there. You see on the front of the lens, and you know it's one of those hazards of photography. It's like having a cloth at the ready at all times. So that you can kind of wipe and shoot, because we're facing into the wind. And look at that.
Some commercial, look at this. Very handy.
Hang on.
Back and cloth.
Yeah. Cloth attached to the camera, ready
exactly.
to rock. Here we go. There's another one of our guys down the end there. I don't know if I can zoom. I can, kind of. Where's Michael? There he is. He's down there. He very kindly lent me his little... what is it? X100 Fuji here, and let's give you some more rainbow and ship if I can while I'm talking. There we go. He gave me his little X100 Fuji here to shoot with because I don't know if all of you guys know, a couple of days ago, rushing and tearing to get off to a location, I wasn't paying attention terribly well. And guess who put his camera on the roof of the bus and then sort of like, come on guys, we got to go, we're going to miss the light. Drove off. My little XT1 seems to have gone. We don't seem to have it anymore, which is kind of sad. And it also means I've lost nearly all the pictures that I shot over 2 days here. We found some good locations, so I'm a bit gutted about that. Not so much about the loss of the camera, but certainly about the loss of the pictures. So a lesson there for you guys. I cocked up. Don't you do the same. So there we go. I'm going to disappear, leave you in peace, but I just wanted to share this little moment of excitement with you while we're shooting down here on Lanzarote. This is the last day of the workshop, so looks like we're going to have some treats. We've got some treats in store for us. I'm going to give you one last look at that gorgeous cloud and that amazing blue arcing up here over the top of that rainbow. Look at that. See you next time, folks.